Start 1.8, question number 1, sub question 2. Okay. The question is 2 minus 4, 8 minus 16. So we have to calculate S9 or S12. Okay. So first we will calculate A is 2. R value will calculate minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, 8 divided by minus 4 or minus 16 divided by 8. The value comes minus 2. So R value is less than minus 2. So we will write the formula for calculating Sn. The formula is A 1 minus Rn upon 1 minus R. So S9 equal to A value is 2, 1 minus R value is minus 2, n is 9 upon 1 minus R value is 2, minus 2. Okay, 2 1 minus 2 raised to 9 is 512 upon 1 minus plus 2. Okay, then 2 bracket mein 1 plus 512 divided by 3. So it comes 2 bracket 513 upon 3. So we will 2 multiply by 513 divided by 3. We will cancel by these. So it will come 2 into 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are and 3 ones are. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 ka 4 carried 1, 3. 342 is the answer. We calculated S9. The value of S9 we get 342. Now we will calculate S12. The formula for calculating S12 is A minus 1 minus R n upon 1 minus R. So A value is 2 and 1 minus R value is minus 2, n value is 12 upon 1 minus, this is R value is minus 2. Okay. 2, 1 minus the 2 raised to 12. See, the square is positive, so the negative number removes, because if the square is positive, the answer comes on positive. 4096. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2, 1 minus 4096 upon 3 equal to 2 into minus 4095 upon 3. We will cancel this by 3. So 3 ones are 3, the remainder is 1, 3 threes are 9, 3 sixes are 18 and 3 fives are 50. So it will come 2 multiplied by minus 1, 3, 6, 5. So 2 fives are 10 ka 0 carried 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 and 1 13 ka 3 carried 1, 2 6 are 7 and 2 ones are 2. The answer comes this. We start exercise 1.8 का first का third, sub question third. Okay, first का third. Okay, the question is 1/2 1 raised to 2 raised to 2 or 1 raised to 2 raised to 3. So we have to find it out as 6. Okay, so here the A equal to 1 and R equal to half. The R value is less than 1. So we will write the formula Sn equal to Rn upon 1 minus R. Here S6 we have to calculate. A value is 1. 1 minus R value is half. N value is 6. Okay. Upon 1 minus R value is half. Okay. X6 equal to 1 minus half. 1 raised to 6 means 1 only na. So 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6. 1 minus half, we will get answer half. Right? Again, here 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 upon half. Okay. So 1 minus 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is comes 4 into 4 into 4 means 64. Okay. So we will write 1 upon 64 upon half. So here if you multiply 1 inside it means same thing. So we will do the cross multiplication. 64 minus 1 upon 64 upon half means the answer comes 63 upon 64 upon 64. This is again half now. So we will do the fourth term will go on the third term. So means 63 upon 64 into 2 upon 1. Right? So we will cancel by this 2. So it will come 32. So answer comes 63 upon 32. 1.8 का फर्स्ट का फोर्थ. ओके, फर्स्ट का फोर्थ. द क्वेश्चन इज 1 root 2 2 and so on. So we have to find as 10. Here a equal to 1 and r equal to root 2 means r value is greater than 1. So we write the formula Sn equal to a r n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Okay. So Sn, we have to calculate S10. A value is 1, r value is root 2, n value is 10 minus 1 upon root value, r value is root 2 minus 1. Okay. S10 equal to 1 root 2 raised to 10 means 32 minus 1. Okay. Root 2 minus 1. Your S10 equal to 1 multiplied by 31 upon root 2 minus 1. The answer comes 31 upon root 2 minus 1. Now here root 2 minus 1. So if you have to cancel root 2 minus 1, we will multiply by both the side root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. Here root 2 minus 1 and root 2 plus 1. There is one formula for this. A square minus b square formula. If you know that formula, a plus b and a minus b. This formula we will use here. Right? So 31 root 2 plus 1. Here root 2 square minus 1 square. 31 root 2 plus 1. Root 2 square means 2 minus 1. So it's come 31 root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer comes 31 root 2 plus 1. This is the answer.